Hello guys, welcome to my another video episode for the explanations of the activity of chapter 3. In today's video, I'm also explaining the characteristics of every single one of this um, that's all. Okay, let's start. Okay, before I continue, I would like to tell you that I've already studied this part, so I already know the answer. So I will pattern this by answering one by one. Application, transport, internet, and network access. So let's start. In this, the number one in this is DNS. DNS or domain name system translate domain names such as cisco.com into IP address or internet protocol address. Excuse me, I still have a cough, so please do understand that I'll do my best even though. Next one is boot P or bootstrap protocol. It's like workstation to discover its own IP at the IP at a boot P server or the node, and as a file to be loaded into a mini to boot the machine. Next one is the DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Dramatically assigns IP address to any stations at startup. So that's it. By the way, guys, this meaning is my own, so I've already replaced the meaning that I got on the internet, so please bear with it. Next one is SMTP, also known as Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Enable clients to send email to email server or other servers. And the next one is POP, Post Office Protocol. In this one, enable client to retrieve email from an email server. Excuse me. Post Office Pro, enable clients to retrieve email from a mail service. Mail server rather. Next one is IMA, or also known as Internet Message Access Protocol. Enable clients to access email stored on or mail server. The post office is retrieve. The internet message access is to access. Next one is FTP. Also known as File Transfer Protocol, a reliable connector-oriented and acknowledged for delivery protocol. Last one is HTTP. This is rather common because it's what we see when we search at the Google or any web browser. It's also known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Rules of exchanging text, graphical, sound, and other multimedia. Next one on transport. we have two, which is TCP and UDP. TCP and UDP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. A reliable communication between processes or specific host, that is TCP, while UDP, User Diagram Protocol, processes one-to-one how to send packets to a process running on the other. Next one is the internet, which consists of four: the IP, Internet Protocol, ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, ARP, Enhanced Internet Routing, and the last one is interface drivers. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, provides feedback from a destination host to a source host about errors in packet delivery. Next one is ICMP, or the next one is HRP, Enhanced Internet Routing Protocol, uses composite based on bandwidth, delay, load, and reliability. The last one is Internet Drivers, provides instructions to a machine for the control of a specific interface on a network. Last one are the two, Ethernet and OSPF. Ethernet, rules of volume. So that's all, and let's move to the next one. This one controls hardware devices and media. That is, wait, let's go back. This, the internet, the IP, ICMP, AGRP, interface drivers. Let's check it. Oh, there's two wrong. This one is in this, interface drivers, and this one is in this. My bad. Let's check it. Not correct. And now let's move on. This one is internet. Controls hardware devices and media. It's internet. Support communication across diverse networks. It has network access. With your network access, it supports communication across diverse networks. When you say diverse, from one type to another. Next one is determines the best path through the network. It's transport. When we say transport, when the delivery, for example, the delivery man of the item onto the destination, and last one is represents data to their user and control dialogues, which is applications. There's a representation of data to the users. Okay, let's check it. Oh, I got it wrong. Sorry guys, I got it wrong. So let's redo. I will not cut the wrong part because that's very bad. Just I will redo the explanation for this one. This is the network access, control the hardware and devices media. This will be the transport. This will be the internet determines the best part through the network. And this is will be the applications. Let's check it out. Correct. Let's move on to the next one, which is the last part. Wait. Long minute. And move to the next one. The what we call drag the PDU. Illustrate the encapsulation process. Number one is the data. Oh wait, we have. There's one more here. I passed by that, so reset. Let's reset it and answer it. Segment transfer the resemble data. That would be the transfer, because transfer because of the keyword transfers. And resemble data, reassemble. When we transfer the data, breaks into small pieces, and when the transport is done, we reassemble the transport reassemble the data. Next one is the data link. Exchange frames between devices. That's why we called it the link, data link. Sorry, it's hard to get that one. Data link. The next one contains protocol used for process communication. That would be applications. The next one is provide a data path or route. That would be the network. And the bit transmission is the physical. Last one, let's check it. Let's move on to the last one, which is the passing down the stack. Encapsulation process. The number one is data. General term for PPDU used for the up layer. We input the data. The next one is the segment, which is the transport layer PDU. Next one is the packets. Okay. The network layer. And the frame, which is the data link layer. And the bits. Physical layer used when physical transmission over the medium. Well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for everything, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you.